Ooh, chilly. Ah! Ooh. Oh. Come in. Ah. Wow. I didn't know we were going up here. We're like almost behind the falls. Morning, everybody. We are in Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. We both got ourselves breakfast, apple roll. And now we've got the next few hours to walk around and explore Lauterbrunnen. So, first things first, Lauterbrunnen is known as the land of 72 waterfalls. And it's because, I'm guessing there's probably 72 waterfalls, at least. But it's got these cliff walls on either side with some pretty amazing waterfalls. You can kind of see one up there. See it right there. And so now we're gonna head into town. I think we need to head up this way, actually. And we're just gonna walk around is our plan. There's two other places we could go from here if we wanted to, and maybe we will. We could go to Wengen, which is up this way here, or we could go, I think that's more toward the end, and at the right is a town called Mürren. And both of those I think are accessible only. Now Mürren I think you can hike up, maybe Wengen you can, but I think they're mostly accessible by a cable car. And I know Wengen there are no cars at all. Mürren you might be able to drive up to, I don't know. So the main town is about an 8-minute walk ahead. So we're gonna go and get there, start making some plans. We do have a shorter schedule today because we have an appointment back in town in Interlaken at 2, and it takes, you know, up to an hour to get from here to town, depending on if you catch the train at the right time. So probably have to leave around 12:30 or so to make sure we don't miss our appointment. Damn, look at those beautiful mountains there at the end, all the snow, and then you got the waterfall right there. Amazing little town. Okay, so we're gonna finish our rolls and get to walking. We'll see you in a bit. So here we are at our first set of falls, the ones we saw off in the distance back there. This is Staubbach Fall. So you can actually hike all the way up here, and it kind of zigzags up this hill, and we should be able to get pretty darn close to it. Our first set of falls. We're gonna see all 72 falls today.
No.
Okay, maybe not all 72 falls, but we're gonna see.
We don't have time to see all 72 falls.
We'll see at least 2 falls. How's that?
Okay. I'm pretty sure I've already seen like 4.
Well, good. Mission accomplished. We can go home. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can get a picture of the whole thing here. Wanna try? Look at this. Wow. Okay. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop.
How do you know about this? Do you know about the tunnel?
And baby over there loves the waterfalls. Crying with excitement.
Do you want me to take your picture?
Okay, so we're gonna start heading up. What's dumb? Hiking? Waterfalls? Switzerland? Who do I need to get mad at you?
I can see the waterfall just fine from the base.
Yeah, but it'll be better up there. We only got like 11,000 steps in yesterday, so we gotta make up for it today. 30,000 steps today.
I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm a little cranky this morning.
Okay, so this Staubbach Falls is about 297 meters tall. So almost 300 meters. And it's really almost just a mist by the time it gets down here. Woo! Feel the burn? Feel the burn. We should have been like those people. Just take your picture down there and leave.
Yeah,
It's okay. We only have to do this 72 more times.
ain't happening.
Okay.
I got my own Swiss rail pass.
Ooh, look
I
at
know
that
how the STD app
sluggy
works.
slug. A big old slug. Ooh, look, there's a snail. Snail and a slug. Ooh. Okay. Oh man, there's lots of slugs. There's another slug there. Slug there, slug there. You like slugs?
Yeah, they're fine.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the top. So, stopped here about most of the way up now to check out Wengen, because you could see Wengen from here now. So that you can see this town right up here on the cliff edge. That's Wengen. And I had said before I thought it was only accessible by cable car, but we're seeing now that there's this train here that's running, and that's the way to get up. So there's like a special train that runs from the train station up to Wengen, and that's how you get to Wengen, because there's no roads up there. It's just this train. And then you could see maybe right here, it's hard to see, there is a cable car that runs up to the top of the ridge about right there. And so you can take the cable car up there and then up and over the ridge through the mountains, and eventually if you wanted to you could get all the way to Grindelwald, which we were at yesterday. You could take it all the way across to Grindelwald. So that's a possibility. So maybe we'll take the train car up to Wengen to see that, because that's kind of looks like a really cool city and a town that's only accessible by a train track. It's pretty cool, huh?
Are you feeling the mist?
Oh yeah. Let's get closer. Okay. So that's my little update on that. So maybe we'll get to Wengen later. Yeah. Yeah, look at it. Okay. We're getting up close. We're probably gonna get a little wet. You can already see it on the camera. Hopefully there's some dry area up here. Otherwise, I will keep my visit short. Ooh, chilly. Ah! Ooh. Oh. Come in. Ah. Wow. I didn't know we were going up here. We're like almost behind the falls. Get the lens a little cleaner. The falls is just up here. Aren't you glad you got the raincoat? Oh, wow. Okay. We're definitely behind it now. Ready? Yeah. You don't have to go if you don't want to.
I have the raincoat on. I can only get my feet wet.
Yeah. So I think we're right behind it here. I don't know how much further it is, but I like that rush to get to the next tunnel there. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Not now. Go. Go, 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 go. Adventure! Ah! Ah! Whew. Whew. Woo! And that's the end. We are behind the falls. Oh! Now, it's not so much the water, it's that it's fairly cold out right now. Wipe this off. Whew. It's about 50-55 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but future Kyle will put it up right here. I probably shouldn't be wearing shorts, but whew, who cares? Nice. So we're gonna head and enjoy this view for a few minutes, and then we'll dodge the rain on the way down. Oh, look, there's moo cows. We got down from the falls, just a little bit wetter than we were when we were going up, and that was pretty cool. I was not expecting to get behind the falls like that. I thought we were just gonna be able to get up and look at the falls. Yeah. So a little more than I bargained for, but at the same time a little bit better than I bargained for. So that's awesome. Like I said, it's cold and wet, which is the only reason why we were a little worried, because it's not super warm out. And
it's just the start of our day.
Yeah, I just don't want to be wet at the very start of the day. But other than that, I think if it was June or whatever, it'd probably be refreshing. Maybe bring water shoes. Maybe that would have been a good idea. It is very slippery, so if you're not, you know, really good on your feet, I don't know that you could do it because there was a lot of just like rock steps that were soaking wet. So
And the stairs were really slippery.
yeah, so like you could get up and see the falls pretty good, but if you're not good on your feet, then I wouldn't suggest going in there because everything is very wet and slippery. There are handrails though, so make sure you use those because you could definitely lose your footing. So we're gonna head down and continue on our path to the next falls, whichever one that is. We're gonna go all the way down to basically Murren is the plan, and head back in. Just a lot of walking today, and we're just taking in views. There's a lot of adventures and stuff you can get into up here, similar to Grindelwald, but we're just gonna enjoy being outside and taking a nature shower today, right?
Right.
Okay, on to the next falls.